everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I have a great keyboard shortcut for you guys. So, if you live in Outlook like I do, you're constantly moving emails around, getting them in the right folder, trying to stay organized. If you hit CTRL SHIFT and V at the same time when you select an email, it will automatically pop up the window to select which folder you want to move that email to. So if it's at the end of the day and you're trying to clean up your inbox and just quickly move emails around from your general inbox to the organized folders you have set up, CTRL SHIFT V at the same time with that email selected will pull up that window automatically for you so you can quickly move that email around. As always, for more information, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.